A donkey accidentally fell into a dry well. People struggled for a long time trying to rescue it. But no matter what they did, they couldn't pull it out. Finally, they decided the only option was to fill the well with dirt and bury the donkey, thinking it would at least end its suffering sooner. As the dirt began to fall quickly into the well, heartbreaking cries came from the bottom. The sound made everyone frown in sadness. But after a short while, the crying suddenly stopped. Curious, someone leaned over the edge of the well and looked down. To their surprise, the donkey was vigorously shaking its body, shaking the dirt off its back onto the ground beneath it, then stepping on the dirt and slowly climbing upward. The more dirt they threw in, the higher the pile beneath the donkey grew. Before long, the donkey actually stepped on the mound of dirt and climbed high enough to reach the mouth of the well. Everyone was stunned. In life, difficulties are like the dirt that falls on you. If you become afraid and give up, that dirt will bury you. But if you are like that donkey, refusing to bow to hardship, shaking off every pain and every hardship and stepping on them to move forward little by little, you will rise. Slowly the pile beneath your feet grows higher, and the strength in your heart grows stronger. One day, you will climb out of the valley and see a new turning point full of hope and light.